guys, welcome to my channel. My jaw still hurts from my dental procedure 4 days ago. So I went ahead and went to Dollar Tree again. And I have some purchases from Sephora that I want to include on this video. Because I want to do a makeup look, not today but soon. I bought two Ioni brow pencil in medium brown. And they're both medium brown. So I wanna check what's the difference. This is by Ioni. They're both by Ioni. I don't know what's the difference. But they are both in medium brown. I'm gonna test that out. And I got this LA Color Too Cheeky Blush in the shade Allure. And I got this highlight stick in a highlighter. I hope it looks like that as it shows. And I got another contour stick. The one I got is tan and medium, so I got this one in deep. I already did the makeup look using the tan and medium shade, so I wanna try the deeper one. And I got this LA Color Conceal Correct in highlighter, and I hope it looks like that. And I tested this already. This is the Candy Moya, but I couldn't find it. I know I have this already. I got the shade medium and light, so I want to show it to you guys. I really like this one. And I also got another Ioni Book of Protection in dark brown. This is Book of Time. So I wanna test it out. And I got this blush in pink blush. I got this one. This is very light. I have one that I really love. I bought I think 3 of them because I really like that shade. Let me look for it. Okay. Oh my god. Yeah. This is in Sweet Cheeks. This one is really nice. I really like this one. I've tried it before. I've even got one for my friend Winnie. And this one is in a cool tone one. It's more like it's not pink. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. And then I want to try this eyeshadow by LA Color in Desert Rose. And then I got this brow contours in Champagne Rose Shimmer 2-in-1 brown color and highlighter. This is by Ailoy and Talia. That's the highlight and the contour. And I got this Texture and Bounce Leave-In Cream Conditioner for your hair. I hope I don't get bald. And I got this mirror, this beautiful mirror. The lilac color. I have one in blue. And I have one in black. So you will be seeing me using this. I really like it. I like the shade. That's the only one. And then I got chocolate. I got this Palmer Bell Milk Chocolate. This is only $1.25 in pieces. And I got 3 blushes and 1 highlighter. This is Cloud 9 highlighter. And this is in Celestial Peach by Ioni. This is in Midnight Rose. And oh my god, I got 2 Celestial Peach. I got 2 Celestial Peach, which is okay. I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't mind getting two. And this is the one I got from Sephora. The Fenty Icon Velvet Liquid Lipstick in uh, Fi- Fia Proof. Fia, Fia Proof. I'm gonna swatch that when I use it. And of course, the one from MVP. This is a very, very good red color. And I got this Sephora Destination in uh, Turn Up the Heat. I got three more of this. I'm gonna show it to you as well. I got one for my friend Nina. This is the exact shade that she got. It comes with a mirror and this is how it looks like. I like it because it's very, very wearable. Easy to use. This is the one I just purchased, but I got three more. I'm gonna show it to you. This one is Gone West. I love this one too. This is deeper one. I like it. So this one you can work with the Turn Up the Heat and Gone West. At least you have neutral colors there. I also got this Southern Charm, which is lilac. I really love it. And this is how it looks like. I like this tone. I haven't tried. I have a lot of Sephora eyeshadow, but I haven't tried it yet. So I wanna test this out. Last but not the least is the Concrete Jungle. I like the blue and gray of those combination. And this is how it looks like. I like it because it's cool tone. I lost the cover again. It's cool tone. And I cannot wait to try it. You know, you can do the shades and the some browns there, and you can use it under your eye or in the inner corner. So I cannot wait to try that. So anyway, my jaw is still hurting um from my wisdom tooth removal, but it's getting better now. So I will be doing makeup soon. I'm just showing you all my haul from the Dollar Tree and Sephora. This is a very quick and short video. I hope you guys like it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you again next time. Bye.